Only falling to Fiji in the final in the Canada Sevens.
Monster. Collins, Sam Golich, rather. Samuel Sonia, yet so far. And Kenya looking to scramble it away here. They have the men, they have the numbers. And it's big Andrew Omonde. Tackle coming in from Conor Braid. And Kenya are away, and it's that man, Collins Injera. You just can't stop Collins Injera from scoring. 251 tries now, his 76th tournament. With 2 minutes left on the clock. A high tackle there as Nelson Oyo gets away. He won't get the try, but this man will. Willy Ambaka. Away. He's gone. Nelson Oyo. Brilliant effort. Super score. Nelson Oyo